Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. November 1st, 2022. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds. Next, we will learn about the letters L, H, and K. Then, we will learn about patterns in books. Last, during writing, we will notice patterns in books. In addition, we will do literacy centers. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's go ahead and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's go ahead and start with the date. I noticed an uppercase letter N, then O, V. Do you know what this abbreviation stands for? Think about it. It's the short way to write which word? Do you know? I heard a few of you say it. It's November. N-O-V period is the abbreviation for November. Let's go ahead and read the date starting with the new month, November. November 1st, 2022. After the date, let's reread the greeting, starting with the word dear. I notice it begins with a capital D like D-Dog, D. Good writers write letters to people beginning with the word dear and starting with an uppercase letter D for that word. And whoever they're writing the letter to, that first letter in their name is capitalized as well. That's why we have a capital C and F here for class family, because you're special and important. Let's reread the greeting. Are you ready? Use your finger to point. Dear class family, if you reread the greeting, great job. I noticed there's a punctuation mark after the greeting. Do you know what it's called? It starts on the line and it curves. What is that? It is a comma. If you remember that, go ahead and kiss your hand and stick it on your head. Kiss your brain. That was fantastic. All right, now let's reread the first telling sentence. Before it starts, I noticed a bigger finger space here. Do you know what that's called? That's right. We indented. Good writers indent. They jumpstart their paragraph by leaving a bigger finger space. It's bigger than the other ones that you're going to leave in between words when you're writing sentences. Okay, the finger space is about 3 finger spaces big. It's bigger than a 1. Okay, let's reread it. Oh, I didn't notice it starts with a capital letter too. Did you know that each sentence starts with a capital letter? Good writers remember to start sentences with capital letters. As we are rereading, notice how there are capital letters to start every sentence in our message. Let's go ahead and reread this telling sentence. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Let's look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that each day. We're practicing being a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker, starting all the way in kindergarten. Let's see how we're going to do this today at school. First, we'll learn letter sounds. All right, just like we do every day, we're going to use our word wall as a resource. We'll review the ABCs. We'll sing the traditional ABC song. We'll even sing it, say it, sign it. We're going to be doing A apple A, B bat ba, C cat ka, all the way to Z zebra zzz. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel and Mr. B's YouTube channel. We'll definitely be using your YouTube channels quite a bit today to pump our brains with knowledge as we learn letter sounds and some specific letters. Next, we will learn about the letters L, K, L, H, and K. So we're going to do L, lamp, L. Remember, when you make an L, you're going to start at the top and pull straight down. So make a lowercase letter L like L, lamp, L. In addition to that, we're going to do H, hat, huh. When we make an H, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go down, up, and over for H hat, huh. And we have one more letter. We're going to do 3 today. Our final one we're going to learn is K, like K kite. When you make a K, start at the top. You're going to pull straight down, then go in the middle, slant in, slant out. Okay, let's see what else we're going to be doing besides L, H, and K. Then we'll learn about patterns in books. Okay, so I read, understand, and learn. We're going to be learning about patterns in books. We're going to do this in reading and writing. So we can notice patterns in books. Different books have patterns and different words that repeat throughout it or different types of patterns. One has the same words on every page. We're going to be looking at books like that a lot, especially this week with pattern sentences like I like or I have. Whatever it is, it's going to repeat on every page. Some switch lines, some have surprise endings, circle, story, or growing patterns. We're going to be learning about different patterns today at school and for the next month in kindergarten. Okay, so we have a lot to learn and a lot of different books to explore and to see how authors can write with patterned sentences and how each book is totally different. So we're going to notice what those patterns are, and you're going to see if we can find some of the words, the sight words on our word wall in class. It'll be so much fun. Okay, so last during writing, we'll notice patterns in books. We'll still continue noticing patterns in books, and we'll practice writing sentences that have those patterns after we've looked at a couple different books to get some ideas. We're going to be a great communicator, speak clearly, and remember to listen. I speak clearly for a reason in a way that helps others understand me. And I listen and ask questions so I can understand. We will be doing, in addition, we'll do literacy centers. Okay, so we'll do literacy centers, Lexia. We'll be writing the room, writing down letters. We're going to be writing down words, different labels, things that you see. And we're going to be reading books and having a fantastic day learning together at school. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. In our T-chart, our Do You Like question today is, do you like fall leaves? Well, do you? Think about your answer and we'll share yes or no and your reason why. Do you like fall leaves?